Are you thinking about buying a home but don't know where to start? Are you thinking about buying a home but don't know where to start? Well, first off, you need an agent who is there to protect you and has your best interests at heart. We've worked with hundreds of buyers throughout the years, helping them secure their dream home. There are so many moving parts when you're purchasing a home, and if you're not careful, it could end up costing you thousands of dollars on the back end. Hi, my name is Tami Allen, your real estate expert with eXp Realty, and my team and I help buyers navigate the home buying process every day. The seller has an agent representing them and their best interests, and you need one as well. We're here to guide you step by step along the way, from finding that perfect home to making professional recommendations as to what you should or shouldn't do throughout every phase of the transaction. We guide you through making an offer, positioning yourself to get your offer accepted, even when there are competing offers, by crafting the strongest offer package possible fitting your criteria. We make suggestions on what you should and shouldn't be asking for, financing strategies, home inspections, what kind of inspections you should or shouldn't have, repair requests and negotiations, and what costs are customary for the buyer or the seller to pay. We go over all the contingencies and so much more. We are here to help you, to hold your hand and guide you through this entire process to ensure you're making the right choices, saving you money, time, and headaches. We are here to be your support system and lifelong friend even after we give you the keys to your new home. Please reach out and let us help you on your journey to homeownership. We've got your back. I'm Tami Allen with eXp Realty, and as always, I look forward to seeing you living in Greenville, South Carolina.